Hello, this is Officer Rodriguez. We've got a major issue on Highway 101. A section of the road has collapsed, and traffic is at a standstill. We need your construction team to respond immediately.
Jake from Redwood Construction, on it. Heading to the site now, we'll update on progress.
Appreciate it, Jake. Keep us posted. We need that road fixed fast. Jake here. We're on site at the collapsed section of Highway 101. What's the status?
It's a mess, Jake. Looks like a sinkhole. We'll need heavy machinery to clear the...
Let's work efficiently, but remember, safety protocols in place at all times. I'll check back in shortly.
Will do, Jake. We're on it.